guys? Jake Nicolle here. We're at our latest listing. We're at 14 Wilfrid Laurier Cres here in St. Catharines. Let me tell you what's so wonderful about this home. We have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. We have a fully finished basement. We got a pool in the backyard, but that's not even the best part. $250,000 of upgrades of Sprague interior. I'm talking custom kitchen, really beautiful main floor. I am so thrilled to have you guys here today. And why don't you just simply come inside and take a look? Welcome home. Did I say welcome home? Because if I didn't, the second you enter, you're gonna wanna call this place home. So when you step inside, we have this beautiful custom door. You enter, you've got the spot to drop all the shoes, drop all the jackets, and then you're greeted with this right here. This double ceiling height entryway that is extravagant, luxury, but yet still with all these warm tones of like the updated staircase, the iron rod spindles. It feels understated, which is lovely. Now, spin around and look at this. We enter this totally custom redesigned main floor that is phenomenal. My eyes are taken to all these different places, like the rounded corners. If you look at all of the corners everywhere throughout this main floor, you're gonna see these beautiful custom lips and things like these recessed integrated blinds so that everything just looks designer, down to the vents, the trim with the extra kick plate on the bottom. Like everything just looks so lovely. The Sputnik style pendant light, it's just so pretty. So come follow me, because before we even look at the kitchen, which I know you're like, Jake, that's all I wanna see, I wanna show you right off of this space. Your guests come in and they have this for a powder. What an experience. You've got this really lovely wallpaper with this texture, again, all Sprague interior designed. And then you've got a really lovely vanity. I love that earthy tone. I love the playfulness of these tiles on the ground. And then you've got even things like this, come see this. You got like the outlet right here that's all blue, very kind of nautical themed, but not overly nautical. Definitely not cheesy. It's elegant, it's timeless, it's classic. It looks so lovely. Step here, got your washer dryer, okay, a little window, so there's lots of light coming in, and then you got your entryway to your double car garage. Okay, the moment of truth now. As we step over here, we've got our living room space. We've got this big, beautiful, try not to look over there just yet, big, beautiful fireplace. I love that they've got these soft gray tiles that just add that sense of warmth and grounding to this space, because your eyes kind of get pulled over here. We got the fireplace. It's phenomenal in here. It's really well put together. And this is the moment that you've all been waiting for. We have this big oversized island, easily seating for 4. You could probably fit 5 people in here because these are very large chairs. And then we've got this really nice quartz with this really subtle veining through the quartz. We've got these phenomenal pendants that I like instantly took a photo of and tried to throw into Google to find out where they came from, because I'm like, this is what I'm gonna add to my new place that we are renovating. So I love these. We've got pot lights as well to help pull the space together. We're looking back on the pool we're gonna show you guys in a minute. And here's a couple things to notice. So number one, with the kitchen, I really like that with the island, they did this really soft, kind of deep but still soft blue. So you create the two-tone with the island here, and then the rest of the cabinets are the perfect color of white. I'm not sure what the white is, but it's like almost kind of subtle cream to it. And you can see the way it plays like at the edges here, really lovely. The hardware, big, thick hardware, it feels strong, it feels like iron. And then you've got these little button pieces of hardware here that are just so farmhouse meets elegant and timeless. And then appliance-wise, we got Fisher Paykel, my favorite when it comes to fridges, really lovely. I love how subtle the spot there is for your water. Really pretty there. And then as we come over here, we've got a great range, a lovely hood fan. This is exactly what you want from a hood fan, something that has this shape. It's got a bit of that V shape where it looks wider and bigger. It creates this illusion of size. All the crown molding in here. I could spend all day in here, guys. I could just talk about this kitchen all day, man. I'm having a blast. We've got your dishwasher over here, and then you've got this really nice integrated microwave, which is fantastic. So it's super nice to have. So storage for days, function for days, but then you've got these quirks of style, like this backsplash that has this chalky almost look to it with these like grays and whites and beiges. It's so pretty. And then we've got tons of fun over here with these curtains and drapes that are just like a whole bunch of fun, a pop of colors and style. This place feels like it belongs in Architectural Digest. It's so lovely. So come follow me upstairs and let's check out the upper level. Now, as we head upstairs, you have this view that I encourage you when you come view this property to just take a minute and enjoy, because we've got the ability to look down on the foyer, and then we're looking out and we just have total privacy here, just oversized trees, really, really beautiful. And then we come through here, we've got bedroom number 1. Come check this out with me. Stepping into bedroom number 1, we have huge windows, so tons of space through here. We're looking out on the street, really beautiful view, and we've actually got 4 full bedrooms up here. So 4 bedrooms, this is bedroom number 1. Come follow me over here to bedroom number 2. Really good sized room to have. We got another big window, we've got closets. Each room has closet, window, fan, which is so lovely in the summer months. And then directly across from bedroom number 2, we've got this shared bathroom that's been totally renovated, completely redesigned. We've got nice quartz here. We've got, again, really lovely veining in there. We've got the shower tub combo, toilet back here with lots of space and privacy, and then a big window that looks out, privacy through there, and then a really big oversized tree that's absolutely beautiful. And then we step over to bedroom number 3 before we see the primary. And all these bedrooms are super colorful, very fun. Again, another closet, nice big window, and we step over into our primary. Come see this. Not only do we have these 2 large windows, we have this massive primary that feels great. It's a really good size, tons of room. This is a queen here at the moment, tons of room for you to do a king, all right? Got a closet there, that's a walk-in, that's great to see. And then we've got our primary ensuite. All right, you step in here, we've got tile, we've got a nice vanity, we've got a nice big step-in shower with a separate soaker tub. Everything looks like it's in mint condition, it's fantastic. And we've still got a whole fully finished basement to come tour, so why don't you follow along? Moving into the lower level of 14 Wilfrid Laurier, we have a fully finished basement space that is fantastic for you to be able to use as a game room, an entertainment room. Storage back here. This is actually a whole room that when you step inside, it's gonna be used for storage. You could use it though for an office. It's bigger than it looks. It's actually on an angle with the wall there. So great spot to utilize for storage, any other stuff that you've got that you wanna stick there. They've got a freezer in there. And then as we step over here, we've got a bathroom, all right? We got a vanity, toilet there, and then this is the big appeal. You've got this open space. You could do your theater here like they've got set up right now. It's nice and cool down here in the summer. You're gonna notice that with our listings. As soon as you get in the basement, I'm like, oh, basement's so nice and cool. So they've also set this up as an office, which I think is great. You've got the light coming in. We've got this office setup, which is just great. And then we step over here. This is gonna be where your furnace is, your hot water heater, even a little workshop if you want it, to have the ability to just sit, work on stuff, have that fully integrated. That's great to have. And then as we flow through to the very last part of the tour here, we've got a totally perfect space for you to put up a drum kit, have guitars, or use it like this as a workout space slash, I don't know, what do you call that again? Throwing darts? You got all kinds of stuff you can do. So listen, we're not done yet though, because we still have a pool in the backyard. You guys ready to come see it? Come follow me. Now, in conclusion of our tour today at 14 Wilfrid Laurier, here is the showstopper. This is what everybody wants now. This amazing pool space here in the backyard. We've got the deck on the right. We've got the stamped concrete on the left. This is awesome. This is totally your summer oasis. You got a big awning. You can roll that out, sit here in the shade so you don't get too scorched, or you can roll it back, throw out the seats, enjoy the sun. And what I love is if you're somebody who, like me, doesn't want a lot of maintenance, you don't gotta worry about going in your backyard to mow your lawn, this is fantastic. Just throw up some plants for that splash of green, keep it nice and open, beautiful view as well of the home back here. So listen, if you are looking for a custom designed remodeled home, nothing for you to do but just move in and enjoy it, and then have the pool to boot, I want you to pick up the phone or text me right now, 289-216-6852. Text me Wilfrid Laurier. My name's Jake Nicolle. I want you to come check this home out because I have a feeling it might be your dream home, but whether it's this one or the next one, we're gonna help you find it. But I have a feeling this is gonna be the one. Cheers, guys.